So let's say you wanted to check out a book from the upper book room. Well, you would simply go onto this Google form to check your books out. Remember, if you are checking a book out, you are going to have a purple screen at the top, a purple header, and it's going to say checkout. The first thing you do is select the name of your classroom teacher. I'm going to select Jemison. Then you scroll down further and you type in the names of the students that will be reading the book. I'm going to type in 3 students. 3 student names. Next, I'm going to select the color section the book is in. Remember, the color section can be found on the book boxes, and it's a colored circle that's on the front of those book boxes. My group chose a book from the red section today, so I'm going to select red, and then I'm going to click next. My book club group decided to check out Hour of the Bees. So I'm going to select Hour of the Bees, which is the title of the book, and scroll down and click next. There are 3 students in my group, so I'm going to write or type the number 3. And once you hit submit, you are done. You are all checked out and you are ready to take your books back to your classroom and enjoy them. If you would like, you may click submit another response so it is prepared for the next student to check out books. Now, let's say you wanted to return books. So if you are returning books, you are going to go to the Google form with the red banner. I always remember red means return. It also says the word return at the top. So you would do the same thing as you did when you checked out. First, you would select your classroom teacher's name. Then you would click next. You would choose the color section. And then you would find the title of your book. We checked out Hour of the Bees, so I'm going to click that title. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click next. How many books did my group return? Everyone returned their books, so I'm going to type in 3. And then I'm going to give the book that we read a rating. I would say that this book is 4 stars because I really liked Hour of the Bees, but I wouldn't say it's my absolute favorite. Everyone in the group completed the book, so I'm going to click yes. And then what would I tell a friend about this book? I would tell my friends that Hour of the Bees is a book that tells a story about a young girl that is visiting family in the desert, and she learns about her heritage. And then I would just simply click submit. Again, if you would like, you can also click submit another response when you're finished using this form. Thank you so much for coming and visiting the book room. We look forward to seeing you soon.